Morning, everybody. It's Mr. Enoch. Tuesday, April 7th here. I wanted to go over the directions for today. A little bit less today. This week's definitely going to be a transition week into next week when we get into what the district is calling planned instruction, which just means we're actually entering into marking period for most likely next Tuesday. So please make sure you're aware. Any missing work you have, I have a folder set up here just with the main assignments. Check to make sure you have those done. I will go back in and put any missing work in for partial credit, depending on what the work was. If you have any questions about work or your grades, reach out to me. I can help people out, but it needs to be on an individual basis. I'm not going to make any sweeping changes. So just talk to me and see if you have any questions. But the missing work folder should be the first place you guys check. And we are on Tuesday, April 7th. Directions are short for today. Work is going to be short for today. It's going to be a nice day outside. Go outside and enjoy that as well. So please read for 15 minutes a day. Post on a discussion board. It doesn't need to be a certain length. Just give me a sense of what you're reading. Complete and submit one of the following enrichment activities. First one, I hope a lot of you guys do this one. I know a lot of you guys can draw. A lot of you guys are creative. Choose a descriptive scene. Consider imagery from the book to illustrate. You can draw, paint, use a digital tool, whatever you want to do. That would be a creative piece for today. The next one's a little bit more boring, but it will be something you do as you read, which makes it easy. Quotes and notes. Just take a sheet of paper. Doesn't have to be typed. In one column, put any quotes you find meaningful, and that's in any way. This is like talking to the text. In the other column, write notes. So identify in your 15 minutes of reading 3 to 5 significant quotes from your reading and write them down in the quotes column. For each quote, take some insightful notes in the notes column and examine the significant. Why do you think that was important? Why did that stick out to you? There's no right answer with this. This is about you just thinking. It's also something you can do as you read for those 15 minutes. So if you want something a little bit easier to do, you can do that one. And then the third one would be a little bit more difficult, but I think it would be worth it. A movie trailer. So imagine they are turning your book into a movie. What scene from your book would you want to shoot? What 30-second clip of the book would you want to show? How would you encompass the main characters, hint at the conflict in the story, show the setting? You could use real people. You could use toys, dolls, action figures. Be creative with that one. I'd love to see somebody post something like that. It would be awesome. Other than that, that's all you guys have to do for today. I'm going to have a video update either today or tomorrow that's going to be a little bit more detailed about what next week's going to look like. I'm already planning what you guys are going to be doing, but realize next week there's going to be some graded elements. So if you haven't been keeping up with the work this week because it's not been graded, please make sure you're checking in. I'm actually going to have something later on to make sure everybody can check in. So have a good day. Can't wait to see you guys work and talk to you guys tomorrow.